What's going on? How you guys doing? This is going to be a different video of the camper, my Ford. Friday, today is Tuesday. I was driving to work and it just stopped out of nowhere. It was like cutting out on fuel. It's what it felt like. But like it let me go for maybe a mile or two before then it completely quit out and lost complete power. So did a lot of research, got a code scanner on it. It popped up as a 1670, I do believe, which would be the IDM, which is this thing. This as an issue, but I did the relays. I have done the new crankshaft, or I put a brand new crankshaft position sensor in it. What else have I done? I checked all the relays, all the fuses, and I can't come up with anything except for maybe that might be bad. But some nice guy on Facebook reached out and he started to help me diagnose it a little bit. But I'm gonna put this back in and I'm gonna take my tuner off. I do have a Hydra tuner, but the tuner's only like 6 months old. So I'm gonna take that off and then I'm gonna try to restart it and see if that does anything. If not, then maybe that guy has more help, I guess. I don't know. But the motor harness on the truck is bad. Not bad, but some of the wires are like getting old and frayed. You could just tell. So I'll probably end up doing that. But it's super freaking frustrating because it's one thing after another, after another, after another with this freaking truck. It's kind of getting a headache because literally I've owned it for like 3 years and it's probably been down 80% of the time. But I mean, at the end of the day, I eventually fix everything. So like when I first bought it, obviously battery went out. So bought new batteries. Oh, the batteries went out. Oh, the alternator went out. Oh, okay, so replace the alternator. Oh, the vacuum pump went out. Okay, replace the vacuum pump. Oh, you started to get fuel leaks. I'm like, what, the fuel leak? So then I fixed the fuel leak, and then I ended up getting, it was like in the very back, banjos up and then goes into where the ejectors are. They're just like little gaskets, but you have to take everything apart for it. Did that, and then when I was doing that, I created more leaks. So then I replaced like the fuel bowl. That's brand new. And by the way, those things are freaking the cheap, or like the cheap ones that are on like eBay. If you do get those, they're okay, but they're just pressed in, so and even with glue. So I would re-glue them, just put glue around them with some like JB Weld glue just to hold on to it. Put a new fuel pump. I mean, I've done every single thing and it's just constantly just something, but I'm not gonna give up on it as much as I want to. But I'm not going to, because this is going to be the truck that will pull my camper, and eventually everything should be, you know, brand new. I just keep throwing money at it, I guess. So if you guys have any idea what a P1670, if you've had that issue, let me know. Something I can try. I do have one dude that is helping me, but you just never know. Better to have more people. So I'm gonna take the tuner out. It's gonna take some time, and I'll go from there. I do have to keep the batteries on a little box to keep them charged, because every time I start it tries to die. So, and the batteries are only like freaking a year, not even a year old. So, yep. But when she does great, she does great. So, all right. Thank you guys for watching. I do have, here's a little bit more of the camper. All I did was these two little brackets, so I didn't videotape that, but yeah. So thanks guys, appreciate you watching, and stick around for more. Hopefully I can get this going soon, not throw a shit ton of money at it. But oh, by the way, the crankshaft sensor, I did buy an OEM one. The one that's in it right now is not OEM, but I did buy an OEM, and it'll be here, I think, in like 4 days, 5 days. So, yes. See you guys. Bye.